Looking for the best manual air pump? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 manual air pump on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. BV, Mini Bike Pump. Lightweight, portable, firmly grips both Schrader and Presta valves. Includes Velcro strap holes to keep pump mounted on bike. Comes with needle and inflatable device. Its portable size make this mini pump handy to have in case emergency flat tires. Comes with no instructions, which can be inconvenient. At number 2. Franklin Sports, Deluxe Ball Maintenance Kit. Portable, lightweight. Includes a pump, flexible extension hose, 6 inflation needles, a gauge. Also comes with a carrying case. Easy to use. Its features and affordable price make this kit a must-have for sport teams. Best for sport balls. Needles break easily, not suitable for heavy-duty jobs. At number 1. Coleman, Quick Pump Dual Action Hand Pump. Lightweight, dual action design, pumps air when you push up and down. Fits Coleman double lock valves. Includes adapters for Boston valves and pinch valves. Its dual action design allows you to inflate air mattresses quickly and is an ideal choice for camping or as a spare. Buyers have had difficulty attaching the adapters onto the pump. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.